Good morning students. Welcome back our online class Maths 7th standard. Students, already you have completed that two chapters. So today we are going to start that our revision for our coming first unit test. So students, today we will start that revision the first chapter, that is integers. Students, already we have discussed in this chapter thoroughly, but once we will revise it, I will remind you whatever we have studied, once recall it. Okay students, so what is the integers? Students, already I have told that positive numbers and negative numbers including 0 are called positive numbers. Okay students, what is that? Now it is represented by z, and z is equal to infinite dot 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 -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. That means if we can write also like this way, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, dot dot dot, so on. That means plus 1 and minus 1 and 0, plus or minus 2 means like that way it will go. Plus 1, minus 1, plus 2, minus 2, plus 3, minus 3. All positive numbers are there, or negative numbers are there. That means these are the called as positive numbers, these are called as the negative numbers, including 0 are called as integers. Okay friends, and students, well, we are going to discuss about that. What is the 0? Already we have told that it is not negative, not a positive. But today we are going to discuss and to revise about that, how that operations, basic operations, some students are doing mistakes and you are getting confusion students. Basic operations you have to study about the integers. Okay students, so first basic operations students. What do you mean by basic operations? Basic operations means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay. What do you mean by addition, subtraction, multiplication and a division? These four operations we will study about that integers and we will revise. Just already have studied. So suppose friends, first we will see addition cases. Students, just remember that the sum of two negative integer, the sum of two negative integer is always negative. Remember that. If first condition we can write also, sum of any two negative integers is always negative. Okay, this means negative. I b means minus b, that means negative. Remember students, sum of any two negative integers is always negative. That means when suppose minus 3 plus minus 4, what is the answer students? This is one integer, negative integer, this is also a negative integer. So if we will add this, what will get? Now we will get negative number, sign will be negative, because already I told sum of any two negative integer. Very carefully remind, when two negative numbers you are adding, at the time that answer sign will come also negative. So minus 7. One more two, we can take that one example. Minus 5 plus minus 10. What is that? Both having the negative sign. Also it is negative. Some students I have heard that and they got that information. While negative means positive, minus plus you are thinking. Don't think like that. Don't bring that such concept. That is the wrong concept. Minus we cannot say that plus, because while you are adding the minus, it will be plus a minus. But while you are minus multiplying, at that time you can say that it is a plus. Are you clear? So students, whenever you are adding, that means you are doing that two negative numbers you are adding, at that time negative sign will come, compulsory students. Okay, but whenever you do minus into minus, at that time only plus. But you are feeling minus plus. No, minus may plus. When you are doing addition, at that time it will be minus. Whenever you are doing that two negative numbers multiplication, at that time you have to fill it is plus, you have to take that plus. Okay students, now sum of any two negative integers is always negative. Second condition also I will tell friends. Sum of any positive integers is always positive. Remember this students, this points are all. Sum of any two positive integers if you add, always a positive. For example, what is that friends? 5 plus 3, how much? 8. Yes or no? This is plus, so positive, always positive integer will come. 10 plus 20, how much? 30. So this is the about that. So students, one more things I will tell you. What will say about that addition about if it is alternative sign, that means one positive, suppose example 3 you can take, add minus 10 plus 25. At that time what you do? What is that answer? Now students, observe friends, if that both signs are opposite, that means you have to do subtraction. Carefully remember. Although it has given to addition, but you have to do subtraction. What you have to do? 25 minus 10. Big numbers, from the big number, big integer, you have to subtract the small integer. That means solution whenever you are doing, you should do 25 minus 10. How much? 15. And remember students, this 15 will be for the which one is big number, big integer, that sign. Suppose one more example I will tell you students. Suppose add minus 20 or 20 plus minus 30. What is the answer students? Add 20 plus minus 30. In this cases what you have to do? This sign is plus, this sign is minus. So you have to do subtraction. What is the solution? Solution is 30 minus 20 is equal to 10. But you have to be answer, you have to do like this. But the answer is minus 10. Because the big number, because what is the sign answer will come, that you make it negative, because this is the negative sign. Okay, this is about that addition cases students, you should practice in your home also. Same like it, we can do that multi subtraction also. Same way, this is the subtraction already I have told. Once again, subtraction. Suppose friends, suppose example you can take 25 minus 10. Students, observe that here how much? 15. Yes. Similarly, 4 minus 3. How much answer? Students, this is example 2. 4 minus 3. Observe students here. That means if their both signs are there here, and that means this is plus, minus, that means bracket inside if it is there, a minus what it will be? This will become plus. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Don't be confused friends. If the bracket before again minus sign is there, that means you have to write plus 3. Okay, so the 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. This is the answer 7. Okay. Similarly friends, we can take that multiplication. So what do you mean by multiplication friends? Students, multiplication sign, what is that? You should remember this formula also, sign formula. Sign convention. If plus into plus is equal to plus, minus into plus is equal to minus, plus into minus is equal to minus, minus into minus is equal to plus. You should remember this sign. One technique you should remember. If the same sign, then plus. Remember, same sign multiplying, same sign. If alternative sign, then minus. Just only one thing remember. If it is same sign, then it is plus multiplying. If you multiplying, if that alternative sign, opposite signs, then multiplying, then that negative. So we can take one example, friends. Minus 3 into minus 5. What is the answer, friends? observe, minus 3 minus 5, that means same sign, so answer will come plus, positive will come, 3 5 ja 15. Okay friends, same like you can take one more example. 5 into minus 4, observe friends here, 5 into minus 4, observe here, this is plus sign, this is negative sign, that means opposite signs, both numbers having opposite signs, so answer will come negative, because opposite signs means this is plus, this is minus, so minus, 5 4 ja 20, this is the answer 20. Are you clear friends? So this is the multiplication of that integers. Same like also friends division, if the same sign will come for the division cases also same. So if you will do that division, suppose what will happen friends, if you will take that one 20 divided by minus 5, what the answer friends? Observe here friends, if that one positive sign, one negative sign, then compulsory the sign will come negative. Opposite sign, this is dividend, this is the divisor. One of this, if it is negative, then compulsory it is a sign, the answer will come negative. So how much will come friends? 4. Are you clear? 20 divided by 5, generally as usual, how like we are dividing, you should divide, then sign will come negative. So friends, observe another one, minus 10 divided by 5. What is the answer? Students, observe here. This is the negative sign, this is the positive sign. So answer will come negative. 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Okay? So C. Minus 40 divided by minus 10. Other students, sign only is very important. As usual, generally you can divide. So here negative sign, this is also negative sign. So answer will come positive compulsory. 40 divided by 10 is equal to 4. So 4 will come. Are you clear friends? So this is the sign convention also. Students, whenever that opposite signs you are dividing any two numbers, that time the quotient always will become negative. But whenever you are the same sign, you are dividing of the two numbers, the quotient will come always positive. Okay students, these are the basic operations of integers. Okay students, next we will discuss about that number lines students. Once I will show to you number lines. Students, observe that number lines, what is the sum and how like we will show that sum and subtraction also I have told you. So suppose 3 plus 5, how like we will show on the number line. So 3 plus 5, first of all you draw that number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and a minus 1. Observe first the number, what is that? 3. So first 0 to start. Always the first number 0 to you must start. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now it is a plus. Plus means right side you have to go. From where? From the 3. 3 to how much you will go? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So up to here we will go. So that means the result will come up to here. Okay. This is called 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Okay. This is for addition cases. Similarly, if you go for the subtraction, suppose 7 minus 5 is equal to. Draw that line. First 0, this is minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 7 minus 5 students. First number, what is that? The 7. 0 to take up to 7. If subtraction come back, left side you have to come. How much? Now 5. 1 from this number don't count. From here to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From 7 to up to here will come. Okay students. So this is 2 came no. So this is our answer. Okay. So this is the result. So students, this is 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Okay students. These are the number lines for the integer students. And how to that multiplication, we will see that. Students, observe that here one third one I will say that about the multiplication. suppose students observe here 2 into 4. Okay students, 2 into 4, that means 2 how many times students added? 4 times. Okay, added is equal to what is that? 2 into 4 is equal to also same. So draw that number line 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So 2 how many times? That is 4 times. So first of all you take that 2 how many times? That 4 times. 1 2 3 and 4. So this total is called as answer. Okay students, this is the multiplication. How many times you have done? 2 how many times? Now 4 times. The 4 times 2 take. Same like 3 into 5. So 3 3. Okay, this is the multiplication. Okay students, so next we will start about that other things in the next video. Thank you very much.